It's still not open, but there's a huge lineup already. Good morning, everyone. Oh my god, as soon as I talked, 7:44 in the morning, Chris and I, during the week, I actually asked him if he could go to Krause farm because I haven't been there. We're leaving early because it's the weekend. Things are starting to open up already. I'm pretty sure that place might be a little bit busy as well. So I told Chris, let's get this over with as early as we can. I woke up extra early just to get myself prepped, wash my hair because it was so oily. Anyways, I'm just waiting for Chris to finish up getting ready. He's showering real quick. Hi, Patch. So during the week, we were talking about going to Krause farm because Kath and Ariel went there over the weekday and then they stopped by to drop off a wine. I haven't done any berry picking ever since I've been here in BC, Canada, so super excited on this one. The weather doesn't look promising at all, but whatever. Haven't had any coffee, no breakfast yet. So we're really looking forward for the breakfast. 3 people that I spoke to when I told them that I'm going to Krause over the weekend, they said that breakfast is actually really good there and waffles are good. So we'll see about that. It's still not open, but there's a huge lineup already. Hi, we got 2 waffles.
2 waffles?
Yeah.
Drinks for you as well today?
Is there tea? Tea?
A tea?
Yeah.
Sure, what type of tea would you like?
Earl Grey?
Earl Grey?
Make it 2 of those.
2 Earl Grey?
Yeah.
Ready? Be ready for you to pick up at that last one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Real light. You gonna become a farmer?
So can we start picking in here?
No.
Why?
They said go to B and talk to
Oh,
the
go
person.
to B. Hello.
Down to the yellow vest and he'll show you which road to pick it.
Thank you. Whoa.
I love it. Right in the mask.
He's very disgusted when he sneezes on his mask.
Yeah, just breathe it back in. Healthy.
Having fun back there? Oh, look at this.
This is your first time ever picking?
Yes, I'm so excited. Look at this farm boy. I think we should be okay now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Market line up here. The experience so far is really good. Picking was really fun and we filled up the basket real quick. So now we have like 4 liters of strawberries and we're trying to figure out how we're gonna dispose them, keep them, bake them, or whatever they'll be. Milkshake them, yeah. I'm thinking of like putting it in Greek yogurt and freeze them because that way it will look like an ice cream. And right now we're just waiting to get in the market as well. I think I'm gonna pick up one of those cakes that we've been seeing, like a small one.
Yeah, I feel like we need to get some of my parents now.
Well, we can pick up something for them.
bucks. We got strawberry, blueberry, apple raspberry, peach black pie.
Strawberry rhubarb.
How about I don't know what bumbleberry is, but I'm curious.
Is that for us or for parents?
Parents. This might be like an ice cream thing. It is ice cream. Coconut cake, $25. Coffee cake, $25.
Oh, perfect.
I got one.
Yes.
You guys ready to check out?
Yes, yeah. That actually concludes our trip to Krause. It was a really good adventure. You guys saw, we explored the market, and now we're just gonna, you know, deliver some of this stuff to some people, and then we're just gonna head home after this. Felt like it was a long day, but I actually enjoyed it.
Long day for 11 o'clock in the morning.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's good.
I think we should really start doing that summer bucket list, because that way we can actually enjoy the summer, since things are slowly opening up now again. And yeah.